20 years, people must go to school. Children must go to work.
Yes,
money that I want.
and to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Bathandi Bomkosi, funny chef Lebo revealed why she got fired from the reality show Our Perfect Wedding. She says that the reason behind her being fired was because she can't speak Isizulu. And after she received those news, she became depressed and she was always crying, asking her mother on why this is happening to her. Hi, Bo Bathandi Bomkosi. I find this a bit weird because the show does not only receive letters from couples who speak Isizulu, but they receive letters from couples who speak different languages across the country. So why do they want a Zulu presenter? You? Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one.